Peptide Sciences BPC-157 Honest Review. Is it worth the hype or is it dangerous? So let's find out. What is BPC-157? BPC-157 is a peptide claimed to speed up recovery, reduce inflammation, and support gut health. Peptide Sciences is one of the most trusted suppliers for research-grade peptides. So let's go to the effectiveness of the product. Many users report faster recovery from injuries, improved gut health, and reduced joint pain. However, clinical human studies are still limited for this product, so results may vary. So let's go for the safety concerns. Because BPC-157 is sold for research use only, it's not FDA approved yet for human consumption. There are potential risks if improperly dosed or sourced from the shady suppliers. So let's go for the pricing and availability. Peptide Sciences offers lab-tested vials, slightly pricier than competitors, but with better transparency. So, for a final verdict, if you understand the risks and you want a reputable source for BPC 157, Peptide Sciences is a legit option. Just be cautious and consult a professional before the use. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.